What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to work on Lark. I want to there's two things I gotta do on this one. Don't know if I'll be able to get both things done. I know for sure we have to swap the rear wheel bearings, but what I want to address mainly is this poke out. As you can see, it sticks out way more than I would want to. The front ones are right above flush, which is fine, but these just stick out way too much. So they do have spacers, maybe 15, I think. So yeah, we'll have to work on that. But in the meanwhile, these two have some maintenance, so I need to change the oil on this one and on that one. So let me show you what I got. All right. So the Porsche does take 8-point-something quarts. So we got two of these. These both should cover the Porsche. It'll be a 0W40, and we have its filter, and this one's for Dino, for the Toyota. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So this will be a regular type of filter, as we all know this type. And then this is what some European cars use. Pretty cool, pretty different. Essentially the same as this, just without the hard casing. Yeah. All right, so for this one, I don't remember if we need to jack it up. I really don't. I think we do. Dang it. I have a cousin who gave me a few tools. Within those tools, I got this one. Let me see if it fits. Oh, it does. Sweet. Oh yeah, makes life easier. Last time what I did is I had to put a what's it called? With us moving, lost a few things or can find a few things, so we will have to improvise today because I cannot find the funnel to put oil. So let's see. here. All right, so for this one today, we're using something a little bit different. We're using some European special sauce. And this is a liquid moly 10W40. I did put some on Lark, and honestly, it did a good job. I really like it, so I want to try it on the FJ. I don't remember how many quarts it takes, but we'll just have to check the dipstick. So we can just pull it like that, and then twist. Yeah, see? And then I'm gonna pull this one. Cool. Got me right in the face. All right. Now this one does look like grayish. Honestly, it looks dirty. If you didn't buy it new, you would think you got scammed. Pretty much. It looks dirty. It looks gray. But that's how this one is. It has additives. It has the MOS2 anti-friction, and honestly, it does really good things with the engine. I like it. Swipe it all clean. Alright, doesn't get any cleaner than that. Let's try it again. Where are we? I'm not sure what the hell. Did we already pass? Where are we? What? Kind of seems like we went over. No way. No way. I don't know. Third time. All right, so I just Googled it, and it's saying that oil capacity for the FJ Cruiser is 5.5 quarts or 5.2 liters. This one says it is 5.28 quarts, okay, or 5 liters. Okay, so we should be good. We're well within spec. We're actually missing a little bit.